Good day, everyone. My name is Ignacio P. de Guzman III of BPED 2A, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the major components of open-loop control system, how it differs from the closed-loop control system, and how it functions for a person who is tossing an empty can of soft drink into a recycling bin. Basically, open-loop control system has two major components, including the executive and the effector. In an open-loop control system, the desired output does not depend on the control action. In fact, the response of this system is fast. Moreover, decisions are made in the brain before performing the skill. All information for one movement is sent in a single message, in which message is received by the muscles which perform the movement, and feedback is not available. Unlike in closed-loop control system, the desired output depends on the control action of the system, and it has a slow response. So, to thoroughly differentiate these two systems, in a closed-loop control system, decisions are made in the brain. Not all of the information is sent together. Those information is received by the muscles to initiate the movement, and feedback is always available and is vital to correct movement patterns and adjust to changing needs. Now, in other words, open-loop control system has no comparator or feedback, no error detection, and no modifications during movement. So, to better understand the open-loop control system theory, let's take a look on how it functions for a person who is tossing an empty can of soft drink into a recycling bin. So, we have an input which is that person wants to toss an empty can of soft drink into a recycling bin. Now, in order for that person to perform the skill, the decisions will be made first in the brain, which is the role of the executive. Then the executive will now give an instructions or send information to the effector to be received by the muscles to perform the movement, which is to toss the empty can of soft drink into the recycling bin, and after which the output will appear. In fact, the moment that that person tossed the empty can into a recycling bin ends the process of the system, and it doesn't require any feedback because it doesn't matter if the can goes over the bin, if it doesn't reach the bin, or the can was being shot directly inside the bin. What matters most here is that the person was able to perform the skill, which is the desired output that he wants to have. And that is what we call the open loop control system. And this is gonna be the end of my discussion. Thank you for listening, and God bless.